G'day guys, Neil here. Well, we've come down the highway to Belanglo, only to find out it's still closed. That's nearly 3 years. So, we're going to have to make other plans, and we're going to go to Wingello. Yeah, so Belanglo is still closed. So we came down to the camping area, which is here. Anyway, so we're going to have a look at Wingello now, because we've got no other choice. So, which is about 35 minutes away, so not the end of the world. So we've come across to Wingello. See if we can get the wheels dirty here. Anyway, Wingello's open, and we found quite a few changes as we explored. Yes, I've only been here 10 minutes and I'm already stuck. Well, that was a good start. Let's see what else we can find. You could almost go on this side, but you're going to be a fair old angle, aren't you? By the time your passenger side wheels are in this bloody big rut.
There.
Yeah. This is the dam that normally feeds that Boghole, but it's empty. Oh, there's a bit over in the corner.
Over there in the corner, which makes me think that.
That's really deep and very steep. That's the, this is the dam. So they turned this into a play area too. The empty dam is another test of vehicle and driver. I'm walking up the easy bit. Now we're on the perimeter track, which runs around the edge of the forest, and it's got some steep washouts too. quite steep. So we're finding a bit of fun at Wingello. This is the mini mountain of doom now. They've really chewed it up. If you flash back to May last year, this is what it looked like. The trees were stabilising the soil and it was fun to drive. Now it's unstable and dangerous actually. There's signs of the edges collapsing too. We did drive it, as you can see, but I wouldn't recommend it. Yeah, keep as far over as you can. Big hole here. Oh, he's going to slip in, isn't he? Now this washout is worse than it was in May of last year. I came up it, we're actually going the opposite way this time. But this is what it looked like back in May. Yeah, we ran into this guy a few times today. He was doing the edges, slashing, and oh, he's pulling over for us. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching, and we may see you out on the tracks. Cheers.